All you basically need to do is simply use a free AI tool, generate videos, post it on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and then Pinterest, and you sit back. At the end of every single month, you bag up to $1,000 or more. However, before you can bag up to this $1,000, you basically need to watch this video to the very end so that you get a simple secret I'm going to share with you within the video. So hello guys, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I basically focus on how you and I can actually make money on the internet. Now, not to take much of your time, in this video I'm just going to share with you a step-by-step strategy on how you can actually make up to $1,000 every single month of the internet just by posting reels. And the best part is that we are going to generate these reels for 100% free using a free AI tool that I'm going to review to you guys in this video. So guys, with this already said, that without taking much of your time, let's get down to business. So in order to make this system actually work, the first thing we need to do is that we need to set up our social media profiles. Now, I want to talk about social media profile. As I already said, we will be using YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest for this tutorial, and also TikTok as well. Now, those are the platforms that we are basically going to use. Now, we are using a lot of platforms, doesn't mean you have to record a lot of videos. All the videos, a single video you make for one platform is the same video you are going to post across all of these other platforms. Now, for us to do this, we need to make sure that we are setting up our social media handle the right way, because if you do it the wrong way, you are not going to make a dime from it. So let's get straight on my laptop. Let me share with you the things you need to do to make sure that you are setting up your social media profile the right way to actually make money with this strategy I'm about sharing with you. So guys, when it comes to setting up our social media platform to make money from this system, the first thing we need to do is that we need to choose a viral niche. Now, when I say a viral niche, we need to pick a niche that actually have a lot of attention out there, and a niche that actually gives a lot of return per every single thing we are going to do within it. And when it comes to this sort of niche, the first one is simply motivational niche. So you need to pick a particular topic and focus on it. And when picking a topic, you need to make sure that you're picking the right topic to work with. So for that, I recommend motivational topic, business tips, health or relationship related. The next thing you need to do is simply choose a very easy to remember username. Don't go and use complicated username for your social media handles. So for example, you can use a name like, for example, if you are creating the motivation or business tip related, you can use something like @successvault for business content, or if you say health and fitness, you can use something fitness or health. Just make sure that what your username is very easy to recall. And then third up on the list is simply optimize your bio information. This simply, you can use a platform like Canva to actually design a simple logo and add a strong call to action. Something it could be as easy as follow for daily motivation. So if you are doing motivational related video, you can use something like follow for daily motivation, or if it's about business, follow for daily business tips. If it's about health, follow for daily health and fitness tips. Just make sure that your bio is very short, because you are going to use the remaining space for your bio for other purposes that I'll share with you within the video. The final thing is simply don't use the regular Instagram profile or Facebook profile. Make sure you switch it to a business account. So whatever social media platform you are using, provided they support a business account, make sure you switch to a business account. Now, if you need help with switching this, you can let me know down in the comment section and I'll make a specific video to respond to you. Now, these are the 4 things you need to put in mind when you are setting up your social media profile. So guys, after setting up our social media platform, it doesn't end there. Now it's time we actually get to business and start making money with this system I'm about sharing with you. And to do this, the next thing we need to do here is simply creating the videos using AI. So in order for us to create the videos, we don't have to stress ourselves. We don't want to stress ourselves coming up with video scripts and a lot of that. So for that, we are basically going to use ChatGPT to get every single thing done. So you simply move over to your ChatGPT AI like this. Now, the first thing you need to do is that I'm assuming you've already picked your topic. So if you want to talk about the motivation, I believe you've picked motivation already. So for me, I'll be using motivation as an example in this video. So I'll simply say, kindly related to motivation. Now, if you are in the relationship industry, you simply go for a relationship. If you are in the health and fitness, you basically go for the health and fitness. Now, you don't have to stress yourself trying to copy this prompt like this. You can just ask me in the comment section and I'm going to reply you with a prompt. Just simply type prompt and I'm going to give you the prompt down in the comment section. So for your simply just send. Now, I want you to give us 60. Now, this 60, what we are basically going to do is that we'll post one in the morning, one in the evening, one in the morning, one in the evening. We need to post 2 reels every single day. So if we generate 60, meaning that what we are basically targeting a month, so 60 videos per month. That's what we are basically going to do. We are not going to create these videos ourselves, so no need to complain about editing the videos and a lot of that. So once you pick any particular topic, you can just copy any of these ones and then you basically have that ready. So now once you have that, now it's time to actually make the video script itself. So to do the video scripts, come back to ChatGPT again. So here is a prompt. You basically say, now to generate the videos, here is a prompt. You say, give me a short 30-second Instagram reel script on. Now you see this particular part after the on, here is basically where you put in the topic. So for example, from the topic we generated earlier on, you can just copy any of them and paste it in here. So for me, I'm just going to paste the one I have on my clipboard right now, which is, give me a short 30-second Instagram reel script on success isn't about luck, it's about habit. Wake up early, work hard, and stay consistent. Now I'll just send this. Now it's basically going to generate a full script for you. Now you just have to sit back and wait for it to generate a script for you. So hello guys, after generating the script like this, now it's time for us to use AI to make the video. And to do this, there are 2 AIs that we can actually use for this. The first one is simply using the CapCut AI. So all you basically have to do is I'll come over to CapCut Web and then click on Script to Video. Now once you come over here, all you basically need to do is I'll come over to your AI and then copy this first prompt. This first prompt is the one you use for CapCut AI, because CapCut AI won't be able to interpret the second one. So this is the one we use for CapCut AI. After this, you basically come over here and then, after that, you click on this magic pen behind here and then come over to here and say generate script. Now you come over here and then make sure that what you go straight. Come over to here, it says motivational story for motivation. Now they say Vim, there's no royal road to learning. So you put it in there because ChatGPT will give you every single thing. Main idea. With this, now once you have it set like this, you can just click on continue. So now you can see that our CapCut AI just generated its own script right now with those information that you fed it with. So after that, you make sure that what you select here 9:16 and then come over here to the voice. You can select any voice that suits you. After that, just hit on where it says generate and then make sure you go with smart generation and then click on generate. Now CapCut AI is going to generate the video for you. On the other hand, you can also use a tool like InVideo AI. However, with InVideo AI, you need to copy the second script that ChatGPT gave to us. So copy this one here, bring it to InVideo AI, paste it in here, and then click on generate. Now you just have to sit back because InVideo AI is going to give you a prompt on some information you need to fill in before you can continue with the video. So once you click on the generate, now InVideo AI will bring you over to this section here. Now go with the stock media. With the stock media option, everything will be 100% free. However, with the generative media, you have to upgrade to their premium plan. So basically, I'll go with their stock medias, and the next thing, look and feel. Make sure it's inspirational because you're making a motivational video, so inspirational. Now platform, just set it to Instagram Reel, or you can keep it as YouTube Shorts. Next up is simply media pace, rapid cut. Make sure you keep it as rapid cut. Now the next thing, simply click on continue. So guys, after a few minutes of waiting, InVideo has actually generated a video for us. So now let's take a look at it.
Success isn't about luck, it's about habits. Wake up early. While they're sleeping, you're grinding. Because every great day starts with a great morning. Work hard, because nobody's handing success to you. Opportunities don't wait. The more you put in, the more you get out. Stay consistent, because small...
Now let's also look at the video CapCut AI generated.
Consistency is key to achieving success. By following these simple habits, you'll be...
Now you see that there are 2 platforms generated the video. So basically the reason why I use the 2 platforms for this video is that you can either go with the video generated by CapCut AI or go with InVideo AI. However, InVideo AI have watermark on the videos but CapCut doesn't. So you can basically go for either of them. So personally for me, InVideo AI generate more high quality videos. So if you are interested, you can use my link down in the video description. Sign up for their paid plan and they get some high quality video. That is after you start making money with the system I'm about sharing with you. So whilst getting started, you can use your free videos with the watermark and at the same time use that of CapCut, the 2 side by side to actually get what you want. So now this aside, now we've actually we've set up our social media platform. You've seen how you can make your videos using AI to generate a script and using AI to make the videos itself. Now after you are done, you can just basically click on where it says download. Now once you come over to download, come over to stock watermark, and then video AI branding, click it, set it to normal, video quality 1080p. After this, you basically click on continue, and this video will be downloaded. That simple. Now we have every single thing ready, all our social media platform ready. Now it's time to actually make money from this platform. So guys, now that we've set up the platform, we've created our video using AI, the next thing is actually how you are going to make money with these videos. Now when it comes to making money with these videos, there are two ways. One of them is simply by monetizing them on the platform through ad revenue and a lot of that. Now the second one is simply using affiliate system. Now with affiliate system, all you basically need to do is simple. You can basically sign up to this platform here, Digistore24, which is one of my favorite affiliate platforms. So it's just like ClickBank, but then this one is more global as compared to ClickBank. Now if this doesn't work in your country, you can use this other one here known as Impact Radius. Now these particular two affiliate banks are the easiest to apply for, like they are very easy to approve your applications. So now let me say you've applied for either of them and then you've gotten approved immediately. The next thing, simply you need to find a product to promote related to your niche. So for example, this video, I said I'll be using motivational videos. So let me also use that as the example here. So what you basically need to do is I'll come over to the digital product section here and then look through and then pick the one within your niche. So if you're in health and fitness, you click here for health and fitness. You're going to see a lot of programs here and then how much they are offering you. Now you can see this one here is Moringa Magic Supplement. You are going to make $131 per every single sale you generate. So for example, I am into the motivational niche. So let me just come over here to business and then business and investment. So I can come over to business and investment. You can see this one here, Lotto Shampoo, pay me $124 for every single sale. So basically what you do here is simply you take either of these products. So once you start getting engagement on your platform, the next thing you do is that you take either of these products and then you actually generate a video about it. So you can basically copy the information of these platforms and then instead of the video script that you give the AI to generate for you, you then generate video script related to this particular product alone with the AI video maker. Now the AI video maker is actually going to make a well-detailed video for you. We're using the same system we use with ChatGPT. So you basically put that into the AI, it gives you the video, then you post it on your platform with a link to this particular product. So for example, if I want to promote this one right now, all I need to do is click on it, it says promote now, and then I'm going to get the link to promote this product. Now I don't want to promote it on this particular account, so that's why I'm not clicking on it. So basically this is simply how you can actually make money with this. One of them, when you post this video consistently, when you start getting engagement, you can monetize through ad. And then secondly, you can basically use affiliate method by picking products related to it and also making videos about this product and then making money from it as well. Now for those of you who are really interested in making money through affiliate marketing and you are really interested in doing this, well, I have a mentorship program for you. If you are really interested, you can reach out to me on Instagram at godemayor1, that's my personal, or if you want to contact me on this page profile, you can go for at perestech1. Either of those, I'm the one you are contacting, and I'm going to take you through on a step-by-step guide on how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. So I have the full mentorship, every single thing set out. With this already said, hello guys, hope you find this video helpful, and this is the full guide on how you can actually start making a decent amount of money on the internet every single month without stressing yourself. Firstly, set up your social media profile. Secondly, you can use AI to generate the videos, and then finally, you either monetize through ad or use the affiliate system. You copy the link, post it on your profile. People are eventually going to click on it, provided that they've been engaging with your videos. So I would advise you build your profile on full organic base. Don't go buy followers, don't buy bot followers, don't do follow for follow. Just build your profile on an organic way and then promote this product, and you're basically good to go. So with this already said, see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.